Hey guys, welcome back from the BIM Meeting Studio. Today's video, I'm going to show you how can we do measurement in the Navisworks. So before we do the measurement, we have to check our display unit in the Navisworks. So we have to go to the Navisworks application button and then click option, and after that we can see display unit. So here is an interface. So we need to expand the interface and then click on the display unit. Currently it's using millimeter. Sometimes the default unit will be the feet. So that time we have to adjust it. Alright, so now click OK. Alright, so now I'm going to open my Revit model, sample Revit model. Okay, so now my third person is turned on and then seem quite really big. So that time I have to adjust my third person properly. So we have to go to the viewpoint tab, and here we can see edit current viewpoint tools. So now I'm going to click the setting of collision, and after that current the radius. So that seems quite big. So now I'm going to change something like that. I'm going to adjust the scale to the 2000 height, and then I offset is about 100, and the distance will be the 7000. Alright, so now my third person seems okay, but I want to use the look around tool to adjust my view. Alright, so now I'm seem okay. Okay, that time I also want to adjust some more. So click setting, and then the height is about 2000. That's stay okay. Alright, so click OK and click OK. So right now I'm going to use the walk tool. So just click the walk, and after that I need to turn on the gravity option. So just say I can walk properly. Alright, so right now I'm going to measure my cutting wall. So have to go to the Revit tab, and here we can see manage, and when I click on the drop down panel we can see 6 option of the measurement. And then when I click on the point to point, the another lock tools also activate, and then when I see here we can use the this the lock to the axis. So I'm going to use the axis, and then I'm going to measure about it from here to here. Currently it's about 1033 millimeter. So if I want to make the markup, so I can change to the convert to markup. So okay, I will make another measurement again. So if I click from here to here, this will be 3400. Alright, so that time I didn't convert. I will convert to the markup, and then I will measure another point. So what happened to that? So this will the previous one will disappear because I didn't convert to the markup. So this is the one thing that we have to know. And then I can do for the y-axis. So the y-axis will be from here to there. So this will be about 3078 millimeter. And after that, I also want to make the converting markup. And right now, I'm going to click the drop down of the measure option. So when I click, this will pop up the dot keyword window, and I'm going to pin this window. Alright, so now I'm going to make another measurement, point to point. This will be the z-axis. Okay, so that time I'm going to measure for the z-axis. So that time we can see the distance is about 9500. This will be the same distance, and then this also will say start until end. So this is when we can get the distance, and we can get our location. So this one also I just want to make the markup. Alright, so here we can see the two new safe viewpoint, because the previous one I'm doing some measurement for the x and y axis, and then after that I just adjust, so far I adjust my view to measure the z-axis, so that's why the previous measurement disappear, and then when I make the z-axis measurement, this will create another safe view point. So, and then another is about point to multiple point. So when I click like this, that time I have to check. I want to measure about the, okay, I'm going to do the name because I want to measure X and Y, so whatever. So currently I'm using one point to the multiple point. So this will start from this edge and go to there, and after that I'm gonna make again. So this means I can measure a lot of white, and then the dimension value will appear with that kind of bounce. Alright, I'm gonna do another one. So that is about the point line. So sometimes we have to measure the line, the distance of the line. So I'm gonna like that. So this will show us the parameter of this point, of this line. Another option is about the accumulate. So okay, maybe this window should have the 1436 millimeter. Another also should have something like that. We can measure our element by using the accumulate tools, and then here is about the angle. So I'm going to measure the angle here. So just click and then I go straight like this. So this will show us the angle of this point. And after that, another one is about the area. Sometimes we have to know the area of the model, so we can make area. Let me do, alright, so I just want to measure the area of this. Alright, so now this will come up when this will come out this kind of millimeter square. Alright, so this the measurement of the Navisworks, and after that if we don't want, we can make clear. So just click clear and every measurement will disappear. Alright, so that is about the measurement of the Navisworks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.